Well, we're back to the rear sprocket on this 2001 Yamaha 350 Warrior. Went ahead and cleaned up these support brackets to put on this rear sprocket. Be a pretty easy installation as long as I can find all the bolts, all the nuts. There's that last one right there. Last one is hiding in the socket that I used to pull it off. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get these started hand tight before I hit them with the impact. So nothing too complicated going on here today. A little tedious, that's for sure, but nothing too complicated. Not like we're adjusting valves or anything like that. That is beyond my scope of work. Unfortunately, it's so hard to find anybody that works on these old four-wheelers. All the dealerships nowadays, oh man, if they're not 10 years old, they're older than 10, we can't work on them. Which I think is ridiculous. And there we go. Back sprocket is now on. Front sprocket is on. Guess it's time to go ahead and lace this chain through. Nice and greasy. Might have to grab me a glove for that. Goodness gracious. Stand by. This chain is greased so well. Man, I don't want to drop it. So just give me one moment. I am throwing on some gloves real quick. It's always funny you buy rubber gloves. They never fit. They fit right. Then we try to put them on, they just break. So, but they'll still serve the purpose. So we're doing the DID-ER Racing Exclusive. Of course, I just asked for a chain that would fit my four-wheeler. This is one they gave me. Of course, they probably gave me the most expensive chain there was. But either way, that's where we are now. It sure is pretty though, that's for sure. It is nice and golden. Sorry about that. I do not have a cameraman. Haven't quite mastered all of this yet. I was really trying to not put it in that dirt. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to say that chain is entirely too long. So, I guess this video is pretty much a stop where it is. So, see if I can shorten this chain up any. If not, I'm gonna have to go back to the cycle shop, Cycle Shack North at I-45, and just get me a different chain. Well guys, hope this was informational. Thanks. Bye.